What do you love the most about being human? I know it sounds like a completely odd question, but trust me, it has a very important purpose to serve here. And this is why I want you to think about it. And once you're done thinking, please write down in the comment section down below and on what do you love the most about being human. Now, if you ask me the same particular question, for me, the ability to think and the ability to make suggestions and to make decisions in life is what I love the most about being human. To be able to think about a lot of things, this is what I love. And thinking is an amazing tool indeed, but very often it turns into our enemy by depriving us of all the pleasure, happiness, and sometimes even sleep. This is all about overthinking. And if you have the habit of overthinking about every small thing, this video is specifically for you because I'll be talking about some really amazing ways to get rid of overthinking here. And if you're here, please do subscribe to my channel for more certain updates because I keep talking about the science of motivation and the psychological aspects of every particular thing in this world. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and make sure to check out my other videos as well. Now, the most important step in working on ways to get rid of overthinking is understanding that overthinking is not your enemy. It actually helps you in a lot of cases by making you prepared about countless of possibilities. It's just that when we're stuck in a loop that cannot be solved, overthinking starts to haunt us. So start with the acknowledgement that you're not stupid, weird or any different from others just because you're overthinking. It's a very natural process and it's very much important to acknowledge and understand that before we actually work upon solving the case of overthinking. It's rather a very common thing and accepting that would help you deal with it in a much amazing way. Now let's jump on to how you can avoid overthinking in less than 5 minutes. And in this video, I'm going to share this very important skill that I have been practicing for past few many years, and I always tell my clients, I always tell my people I talk to about this particular technique, and I'm sure this is going to help you as well. Before you go to the bed, make a list of everything that's going in your head. Now this thing could be a list of all the things that you constantly worry about, or just the things that are constantly happening in the course of a day as well. So you just have to write down all the things that have been struggling, that has been worrying you over the course of the day, or the thing that you constantly overthink or worry about. Now, once you have done that, write down how you're going to deal with it, or simply how you're dealing with it right now. Now, some of those worries might actually be very simple. For example, you might have had a fight with your best friend for that matter, and you're worried about what you could have said or what you could have done, and this thought is constantly struggling you, this thought is constantly worrying you. So in the first column, write down that you're worried about the relationship with your friend, followed by how you're going to deal with it. This would make you aware of all the possible options, like calling them up or just clearing out the miscommunication. So this would help you declutter all the thoughts in your head and you would have one less thing to worry about. So this activity is all about understanding what you're worrying about and then trying to find out the ways through which you can solve that particular worry. It could be as simple as talking to your best friend, or it could be as complex as solving something of the past. Now it's all about understanding thoughts that are worrying you, understanding the thoughts that are troubling you, writing it down on a piece of paper, followed by what you can do at that particular moment. So this is all about it. But not everything we worry about can have an immediate solution. Now something could be of the future or something could be from the past as well. It could be your anxiety from the future or your troubleness or your worry from the past as well. And there is no certain way you can actually find a solution to it. So what can we do about this particular thing? In this case, write down what worries you and followed by how you are dealing with it right now. For example, if it was a mistake from the past, you have learned from it now and now you are constantly growing in your life just because of that mistake. And if it's something about the future, you can remind yourself that you're slowly working towards achieving what you really want. So in case of things of the past or the future, it's all about understanding that you're constantly growing in life and you just have to keep reminding yourself that as well. So in the first column, you have to just write down that this is something from the past that is constantly worrying me. Maybe it could be thing because of your last breakup, or just you had a fight with your parent or your best friend, or anything from your life as well, or a certain failure in the life as well. So it's all about reminding yourself that I am constantly worrying about that failure or that breakup or that particular fight with my best friend. You just have to remind yourself, you just have to write it down. And now once you've written it down, you have to write down what you can do about it. How are you going to solve it? In that column, you just have to write down that this is something that I cannot control or cannot change. But because of that mistake, because of that issue or because of that worry, I have grown in life. And because of that failure, I found another way not to fail. So it's all about reminding yourself, it's all about writing down the things that you think you have achieved or gained from that particular thing. Or if it's something from the future, you just have to write down that you're constantly working towards achieving that part. And this is something that you cannot really control. This is something that you cannot really work upon. So it's all about understanding that this is the moment that you have right now, and if you have good chance of working on the present moment, you would actually be able to reach the future that you actually want from yourself as well. So it's all about reminding yourself that and constantly write those thoughts down. Now I stress a lot on writing, because when you write your thoughts down on a piece of paper, you would be reaffirming your thoughts. That means the first time you just be thinking about it, and the second time you'd be writing it down as well. And the moment you write it down, you'd always have a better perspective of looking at it and a much higher chance of actually doing what you really want with that as well. Now, after writing all these thoughts down, you just have to go to your bed. And once you're gone to the bed, your thoughts might come back again. At that particular point, you have to remind yourself that it has been taken care of. You have taken care of all the things that are troubling you. You have taken care of all the things that are worrying you. So this would reaffirm your brain. This would make your brain comfortable about that particular situation, and then you would be able to sleep peacefully, and that your overthinking would be gone in just no time at all. So it's all about understanding and writing your thoughts down. It actually plays a very important role in how you see those thoughts as well. This technique actually has helped me a lot. This technique has helped a lot of people as well, and I'm sure it's going to help you as well. So make sure you do practice this, and if you want a free worksheet to be able to guide you, to be able to help you in writing those thoughts down, please do let me know in the comment section down below, or you can ping me on my Instagram at @ShivanNow as well, or you can just drop me an email at shivamkmr7@gmail.com, and I would love to send you those free worksheets with you. So this is all about understanding overthinking and how to get rid of overthinking in less than 5 minutes. And I hope you like this video, and if you do like, comment and share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you so much.